Here we are looking at a 2023 WorldCat 260 center console offered by SkipperBud's here at Belmar Harbor in Harrison Township, Michigan. This boat's powered by twin 200 Mercuries, has the available Magic Tilt trailer underneath it. Step up the boarding ladder here. Outriggers on the hardtop. Slide out Yeti cooler. Garmin GPS, digital throttle and shift. Edson steering wheel with power knob. Has the Optimus steering. So a nice, real smooth steering system on the boat. Got your Merc vessel view gauge along with the Garmin screen. Looking forward, we have nice seating here. Good anchor locker storage, accessible from both sides. A nice large head, plenty of room for storage. GL audio speakers, rod storage, dual flip up bolster seat on the helm, very comfortable seat. Looking aft, we have a flip down seat as well as platform. So that whole thing flips down for a nice easy access to your boarding ladder, as well as makes a nice casting deck on the stern. Once again, this is a 2023 WorldCat 260 center console offered by SkipperBud's. Thank you.